Hey all, welcome. Today I am going to show you how you can install Android on your Windows machine. So for this tutorial you will need two things. One is the VirtualBox that can be downloaded from the official website virtualbox.org, and from there you can download the Windows version of it. So once you click Windows host, your downloading will get started, and from the Android OS boxes repository you can download the required Android version. So whatever version you need for installing, you can download it from here. So based on your operating system, you can download either 32-bit image or 64-bit image. You can download any of your choice. Now once you have both the softwares ready, what you need to do is install VirtualBox. I have the VirtualBox already installed, so I'll just open it. Now here we need to choose new, give our virtual machine a name, say Android machine, keep the folder same, no change here as well. Now the Android image is of type Linux, so choose Linux from here and other Linux in the version. Now click next. If you want, you can change the base memory and processors that your new virtual machine use, but for tutorial purpose I am keeping them the same. I'm not changing these parameters. Now here, while selecting a virtual hard disk, we will use existing virtual hard disk because we already downloaded a virtual disk. So we will just search it. We have downloaded it in desktop folder. So we will select this image and we will choose this. We just verify all these information and we will click finish. Now the setup is complete.